This is crazy. What do you have to say about this, sir? Sir, what do you have to say about this?
Yeah, go ahead, Michael. Get on the trampoline.
Where the fuck is Noah's Ark is what I gotta say.
Go ahead, Michael. Get on that trampoline.
I'm not about to get on that trampoline. Are you crazy?
You know you'd like that right now.
I would so like that right now, but I mean, we're under a severe thunderstorm warning, so
And do it with no shirt on.
I would so do that right now, for real. I would so take my shirt off, and I would so jump on the trampoline. But you know what? I'm not trying to get hypothermia, for one, and I'm not trying to get struck by lightning. So
I was joking. Yo, look at this.
And I'm pretty sure in like a couple minutes, our backyard's going to be covered in water. So, yeah. This is bad, people. How's that cup not falling over yet? Look at this cup. World Star.